Hello friends, this is a 2008 Volvo V70. It's got a problem, very common problem with Volvos. Is related with the ignition, okay? You hit the key, you hit the button to start the car and it doesn't do nothing. You hear like sometimes clicking like the relays, but it doesn't crank. The engine doesn't crank. And you get in the dash, you get this message that says something about the steering lock mechanism, or something like turn the steering, try again, something like that. If you get that kind of message in the dash, then the problem is gonna be this. Come with me. It's gonna be this guy right here. It's the steering column lock mechanism. Okay. All right, friends. Now the first thing you gotta do is you gotta remove all the covers that goes here in the steering column. There is one here. There is the first one you wanna remove is this one. See, this one goes like inside here, and then there is 3 bolts that go from the bottom, and you remove these two ones. Now the steering lock mechanism is gonna be down here. See, this one, this is where it sits. So it's gonna have like 2 things that looks like a rivet, one here, one in this side, the same thing. So what we did to take this out is that you have to use a cutting wheel and cut a slot. You can see the slot right there, and the head of that it actually is a bolt, but it doesn't have the head is like a rivet. So you gotta cut a slot, then get a screwdriver and try to start spinning it until it just comes out. See? All right, now once this comes down, forgot to disconnect it. Let's see, I'm gonna disconnect there. Okay, now that we got it out, you gotta have both, because there are 2 of them, one in this side, see, one in the other side. See, same thing, you gotta cut the head of the bolt here and here. Okay, now let me show you something here. This is how it looks like. See, right here is where the screws go, one this side, one this side. Okay, it's got a connector, and what happens is that this tab right here is the one that actually locks the steering lock. Okay, because it goes up, and when it goes up, it locks the steering lock. When it goes down, it releases the steering lock. And what happens is that there is a electric motor right here, and there is a coil here that kind of make this go in or out. And then the problem is that this gets stuck. So what you want to do is that you gotta pull this black tab out. Okay, so you can use something sharp, and you gotta kind of pry out here and out in this side, and yes, you just pry it out until it will come all the way out. Okay, see, because this tab right here is the one that holds this in position. See, now in this case this is already loose, because we just wanted to show you we already fixed the problem, but the problem was that this was stuck. So what we want to do is put WD-40 right here in these openings right here. Put some WD-40, take this to the car and plug it in. Okay, plug this in. Then you remember you sprayed it with WD-40. Now what we want to do is we want to hit the bottom and tap it slightly. Tap it until you will see the lock mechanism working. Go ahead, please push the bottom. See, so you want to put WD-40 and tap it, and see how it's working now. Do it again. All right, now 1 second. Let me show you. Okay, you want to put some more WD-40, and can you push the bottom? All right. Now, what we're gonna do, just to test if the ignition is working, is try to start the car. Now, try to start the car. There you have it, friends. Problem solved. All right. If you like this video, give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. And remember, when you put in this back, same exact procedure, okay? The only thing is that you don't reuse this, all right? Just put some regular screws that fits here, and that's it. All right, friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.